friends, welcome back to M. Caribbean Fashion Trends. Today we are talking about easy outfit ideas for the time when autumn slowly turns into winter. The air changes every day. Some mornings are cool, afternoons feel softer, and nights can be very cold. No matter your age, we all want clothes that keep us warm and still look smart and stylish. These ideas are for everyone, young or mature women, because good style has no age limit. The best way to dress in this season is to think about layers. Start with a light inside layers like a long sleeve top or a soft knit. Add a warm middle piece such as a thin jacket or a soft vest. Finish with a strong coat or pepped jacket that protects you from cold wind. Layers let you add or remove pieces during the day so you stay comfortable when the weather changes. This method works for every person and every body shape. Soft sweaters and warm pullovers and wonderful for all ages. They give a relaxed but neat look and feel gentle on the skin. You can wear a sweater with simple trousers, jeans, or even a knit dress if you like dresses. The key is to choose fabrics that hold warmth and still feel light enough to move easily. Older people may like a looser shape for comfort while younger people might prefer a closer fit, but both can use the same basic ideas. For bottoms, pick pieces that give warmth and easy movement. Straight trouser jeans with a little stretch, soft wide leg pants, or thicker leggings are all great. Long skirt in warm fabric also work well when paired with lights or leggings. Everyone can enjoy this choice because they are simple and timeless. Outerwear is the main star of fall to winter dressing. A long coat instantly makes any outfits look polished. A padded jacket gives strong protection on colder mornings. A shorter wool jacket or a bomber style is good for days that are cool but not freezing. Choose one or two coats you can wear again and again with many outfits. Good outwear work for every generation and makes even a simple outfits look stylish. Shoes are important for warmth and safety. Ankle boots are easy to wear with pants or skirts and suit people of all ages. Tall boots give extra warmth when winter becomes colder. For casual days, loafers or clean sneakers are still fine if you wear warm socks. Make sure the soles have a good grip so you can walk safely on wet or slippery ground. Accessories are not only decoration, they help keep you warm. A soft scarf around the neck blocks the cold air. A warm hat or many protect the head. Gloves keep the hands safe from the chill. A simple crossbody bag or a small structured bag is easy to carry and work for everyone. These small details finish an outfit and make it look thoughtful without effort. Let's picture a few outfits ideas that people of any age can wear. A warm sweater with striped trousers and long coat work for a city day or a walk in the park. A knit dress with tall boots and a strong coat is perfect for a dinner or an evening out. A soft pullover with jeans and a padded jacket is great for a weekend trip. A light sweater with a thin blazer and trouser make a smart look for work or meetings. You can mix and match these ideas, changes shoes or add more layers as the weather turns colder. These cozy and chic outfits show that good style does not belong to any age. Children, young adults, and older people can all use these same ideas and make them their own. You only need a few key pieces like a strong coat, a soft scarf, firm shoes, and fabrics that feel good and on the skin. Use the clothes you already have and combine them in new ways. With smart layering and good fabrics, you can stay warm, feel comfortable, and look stylish every day from fall into winter. Thank you for watching MK Rabin Fashion Trends. If you enjoy these simple tips, please like this video, subscribe to the channel